Hey, what's up, everybody? Danny here, and today I just wanted to share with you a quick tip that you can use right away to craft the best thank you page for your opt-in funnel. So if you're creating a landing page experience, if you're trying to uh, obtain more email subscribers and you have an opt-in page offering, some sort of lead magnet, whether it's a free PDF guide, toolkit, or webinar registration. One of the things that I've noticed in the past is when I sign up for a free offer or a webinar, sometimes, not all the times, but sometimes there's just, when it comes to the confirmation sign up, I get redirected to just a blank page that says success or your response has been received. And so that is great to know that my response has been received. However, it doesn't really give me it kind of leaves me, there's a connection that's broken, let's just say, right? So there's no next steps. And at that point, your subscriber is really like hot to take the next action. They just submitted their email details to your opt-in form. And so the next thing you want to do is redirect them to a thank you page. A custom thank you page doesn't have to be really complex, but you want to be able to create, especially if you're building a personal brand, you want to create a relationship with that subscriber. And so I'm just showing you a sneak peek of my new thank you page that I'm working on right now for my digital project management toolkit. And I'm just going to walk you through it. So Agile Storywriting is a concept of software development where you basically write a short little sentence, nothing really, epic, giant, but you basically write in a format of, as a, particular role or user or customer, you'd like to have this blank feature so that you can perform something of value or obtain something of value or do something that you'd like to do. So these are really kind of the requirements that you would use in a story writing session. So for a thank you page, what I would do, since we're not developing software, but we are creating something, we're creating a thank you page, I'm going to say, as a new subscriber, that's the role that I'm putting this perspective in, I'd like a warm welcome to know that I'm in the right place and I feel connection with the person I've given my email address to just now so that I can confidently listen and apply what he has to say so I can get started learning and applying the toolkit content. So really, that is what both, as the personal brand or the authority website, I want my subscribers to be able to take quick action. But I also want to just touch base with them and thank them for giving they've just given me their email address. So I want to make sure that I thank them for that because that's a big deal. And so making sure that you are going to deliver on what you promised on your landing page and give them the next steps. Maybe they need to, if you have a double opt-in, maybe they need to click on the confirmation email that you've just sent them to their inbox, right? And if they don't find it, maybe you want to tell them to check their junk mail because sometimes that, gets sent to junk mail. Those types of things. So there's different follow-up things that you want to make sure your new subscribers are taking action on. So, you can kind of build these little micro commitments and, get them used to, taking action from your instruction, right? And so it's kind of prepping them for later on down the line, making another transaction with you. Maybe it's an affiliate purchase, or maybe it's a sale of your own course or product or service, right? So anyway, that's just a quick tip when it comes to how to leverage Agile Storywriting in your thank you page and in the content that you create for your opt-in process. So anyway, I hope this video gives you some really good actionable tips to get started with your own thank you page. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, or go ahead, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and hit subscribe to the channel so you can get more tips, tools, and strategies on how to build your digital platform the Agile way. And don't forget to ding the bell for future notifications when new videos get posted. Thanks so much and have an awesome day.